Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. In today's video, we're gonna fire up the Weber grill and it is time to make some chicken thighs. Easy, delicious, and absolutely my favorite food group. So let's dig in, we'll talk ingredients, get the grill started, get the prep done, make some chicken thighs, life is good. Today's ingredients, we're starting with some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. This is gonna be great. They're gonna grill up hot and fast and tasty and delicious. And like I said, favorite food group. Then we're doing a little bit of our Ace exclusive loudmouth. I call this the flavor trifecta. A little boom shakalaka, a little and a little whoa there. These three together, whoa, boom. Gonna be absolutely amazing. First step is we're going to go ahead and get a bowl. We're gonna get those chicken thighs into our bowl like so. And I'm just kind of separating these guys out a little bit, opening them up, making sure we get everything ready for its seasoning. So get those in the bowl, and then I have a little bit of olive oil right there. Use your favorite oil. You can even use bacon fat if you want, but get that drizzled on there. I like to pour a little bit around the bowl, about 2 tablespoons worth right there. Now, we'll show you how to get them seasoned, all mixed up. We'll do that next. All right, we're gonna hit them with a little whoa there. You know what I always say, season as light or as heavy as you want. So I like to go ahead and get that seasoned. We'll get these guys mixed up. And then guess what? I'm gonna hit it with a little that's right, a little sweet and hot on the top. Now, season them as light or as heavy as you want. We'll get them all mixed up and ready to go. Then we'll give them a little bit more. I'm not quite there where I want it to be yet. So we'll get a little bit more of that sweet hot. We'll get a little bit more of the sweet and smoky. Life is good. These are ready to go. Let's go get the grill started next. Yeah, can't wait. We have the Weber all ready to go. I turned on the gas. We'll open up the grill and let's go ahead and get those burners started. Now, I'm gonna leave all the burners on when I preheat so that I can get everything up to today's cooking temp, 450 degrees. Okay, the grill is all preheated. Let's go ahead and get those chicken thighs down. Now, my chef's tip of the day. See the smooth side? I like to start on that side first. I always feel like I get better grill marks. So we'll go ahead and get the chicken thighs laid out on the grill. We're gonna let them go for about 6 minutes on this first side before we even come back and check on them. Wanna make sure we get these things nice and grilled and done and tasty and delicious. So we are set to go like that. We'll come back, check on 6 minutes. Well, there we are right after that 6 minutes. These things look amazing. We'll go ahead and get them all flipped. And now that we have them flipped, we're gonna let them go for about 2 to 3 minutes on this side. But in the meantime, look at that. It's time for a little boom shakalaka. So what I like to do is we'll go ahead and get a little bit on top. All right, just like so. Get a little on there, much or as little as you like. And then I just want to go in and get that kind of mopped on. So about another 2 or 3 minutes, we'll give them a nice little glaze of barbecue sauce, same temperature, nice and hot. And then we'll come and check temp. Doneness, I want to sit right about 165 to 170 degrees, but look at that. That is so good. Okay, here we are right after that additional 3 minutes. Check temp, and we are at 168. I love it. 168. We are good to 169. 172. So we are good to go. Between 168, 170 degrees is perfect. So time to pull these guys off and get in the kitchen, and it is time to eat. Time for that doneness check, and yeah, they just tear apart. I mean, I can try to cut them if I want, but they just tear apart. Now, great thing about this, amazing in tacos, so good for sandwiches. They are good for literally everything. And then what I like to do, check it out, a little bit more of the sprinkle over the top, like that. That is total perfection. 9 minutes, that's it. 9 minutes, that's it. That's all it took. It took 9 minutes to get amazing grilled chicken. Literally took longer to prep, turn the grill on, get it preheated than it did to make that delicious chicken with the flavor trifecta. Now, if you're looking for more amazing flavor, stay tuned, because coming up, I have a roasted vegetable video on the Weber that you're definitely gonna wanna add to the mix, because it's going to make these even better. Cheers.